A really quick video on why you shouldn't swallow your mucus, and why when you sneeze, you should sneeze. You shouldn't hold it in. When you eat something healthy and then you cough up mucus, it doesn't mean the food is bad for you. It means the food is helping you. It means the toxins and bad metals in your body that are consumed from hot dogs and other processed foods are trying to leave your body through mucus. When you swallow mucus, those toxins go back into your body, and you have a high chance of getting sick. See, I am eating watermelon and a hot dog. So when I eat the hot dog, then I eat the watermelon, I cough mucus up. Then my grandparents think I'm sick. But in reality, I'm coughing up the sickness. If I would swallow the sickness, I would become sick. The only time you're actually fully sick is when you're coughing and you sound like your throat is dry and you can't cough anything up because you're congested and everything is stuck in your throat. All the mucus is dried up in your throat. It's hard. When it has that phlegmy, gross looking mucus texture, that's good. You want that to come out. When that can't come out, you're fucked. Because that means your body's unhealthy. The people who can naturally cough up lots of mucus are the healthy ones. If you've been told the opposite, you've been lied to. If you've been told the opposite by your parents, they probably just didn't know. Because their parents probably told them the same thing. But if you do 5 minutes of research, if you take 5 minutes of your life to do smart research on a topic and find something out, you'll learn something. But no one wants to do that because people are lazy. So I'm telling you. Yeah. Have a good day.